In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quillbot to format and improve your document. We'll walk through finding the site, refining your wording with the paraphraser, polishing with the grammar checker, and using the summarizer to create clean, concise overviews, all in one smooth workflow. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Quillbot and select the official Quillbot website from the results. Once you're on the site, begin with the paraphrasing tool. Click Paraphrasing tool, then paste your text into the left-hand box. This is where you'll refine wording while keeping your original meaning intact. Choose a mode that matches your goal. Fluency is great for fixing awkward phrasing with minimal changes. Formal boosts academic or professional tone. Standard provides balanced rewrites, while Creative offers more dramatic rephrasing when you want a fresh spin. If you see a synonym or word change slider, use it to control how much is rewritten. Lower settings keep your voice more closely. Higher settings introduce more varied wording. Run the paraphrase and carefully review the output. You can accept the full suggestion or click into particular phrases and adjust them manually so the text sounds like you. When you're satisfied, use the copy icon to copy your edited text. Next, run a quality check with the grammar checker. Click Grammar Checker, then paste the paraphrased text into the tool. Accept grammar, punctuation, and clarity fixes as they appear. Quillbot often provides brief explanations. Take a moment to read them so you can spot patterns and improve your writing over time. If a suggestion changes your intended meaning, confirm it manually or revert it so your message stays accurate. For long sections that feel dense, use the summarizer to condense them. Open the More menu, the three dots on the left, and click Summarizer. Paste your long passage into the summarizer. You can generate either a short paragraph summary or a list of key points depending on what you need. Click Summarize and review the result. Use that summary as an executive summary at the top of your document, as an introduction to set context, or simply as a quick check to ensure your main ideas are clear and well organized. That's it. By searching for Quillbot, using the paraphraser thoughtfully, validating with the grammar checker, and condensing with the summarizer, you'll consistently produce cleaner, sharper, and more professional documents.